Welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today I am so excited. We are going to be doing an eye look with the Jackie Aina palette. Jacket. I'm so excited. I pretty much buy everything that Jackie recommends or anything that she collabs with, for sure everything that she collabs with. But this palette is so gorgeous and I'm super excited to use it. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're into natural hair and beauty, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. So we're going to get into this palette. I got somewhere to go tonight and I'm excited to use this. So this is not going to be a first impressions because I was supposed to film this video yesterday. I didn't film the video yesterday. And I still wanted to use the palette, so I did. But I didn't use all of the colors. I only used a couple. So this is the palette. It is so pretty. It is so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. And it comes with a brush, which I believe all of Anastasia, Beverly Hills palettes come with a brush. So that's cute or whatever. Probably not gonna use it, but still cute. Really excited about it. So we just gonna get started. I don't know what look I'm going for. We're just gonna go for it. There's a couple of these shadows. That really stand out to me. Lituation over here. Like, some of these names are amazing. Lituation, Credit, Sponsored. I really like Sponsored. Lituation looks like a banger for sure. And Shookington. I don't know how to pronounce this. Soleil, maybe? Something like that. That one's cute. Zam. Yes. And I really want to try this Supreme. So we're just going to get started. I don't know what look I'm going for. We're just going to roll with it. We're just going to roll with it. We're going to see what happens. Just, live our lives, okay? Live our lives. So my face is almost completely done, as you can see. So I just put a little bit more setting powder on, so if we do have some fallout, then it'll be okay. We can just brush it off. So I'm gonna again start with the color Edges, which is this like burnt orangish, yeah, orange red. It looks pretty. So I'm just putting a little bit on here, and I'm just going to, first of all, why didn't y'all tell me I didn't prime my lids? Y'all was just gonna let me put eyeshadow on without priming my lids. So first I'm gonna prime my lid with, this is the Born This Way concealer. And I'm just gonna dab it in. So I'm just gonna take the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and set that. I do use Sacha Buttercup just because it's lighter. Now that we have a good base to start, again, we're gonna go in with Edges, tap off, and we're just going to blend this into the crease here. We're not gonna put a lot just because you want to be able to work up. Let me take this off. Ooh, it's off. Ooh, let's see. So I'm just gonna take a little more and blend it in. Dab it on first. I'm gonna dab it on first and then blend it. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pigmented. It's really pretty. Very pigmented. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Just gonna do the same thing. So again, I'm gonna just tap it in, and I'm going a little bit above the crease here. Again, I do not know what look I'm trying to create, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? Because this palette is gorgeous and I want to try it. I am not the best at eyeshadow. I'm more of a base girl. I like for my base to look good, and then everything else will come together for me. Like, but I be trying, I be trying. But I'm not the best at this, so I just be like, if I could just blend it to make it look like I did something, make it look like I put forth a little bit of effort. So you know. So we're gonna go in with the color. Do I want to go with Supreme? Do I want to do Supreme already? Should we do Supreme already? I think we're gonna do Supreme already. Let me see. Let me get another brush because I'm nervous about this Supreme. So we're just gonna go a little bit in the corner here and then blend it into the crease. So it's showing up really well. It's not patchy. That is really pretty. Really, really pretty. So again, see that? It looks really good. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of credit on this next eye. Do the same thing right here in the corner and then blend it into the crease. So we're gonna go back to edges and pink Supreme, edges and Supreme, to make sure those colors are not lost because those are so pretty. So you just have to keep going back and forth, making sure these don't get lost in the sauce. And again, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a girl that likes to dabble in makeup from time to time. I'm just out here trying to look cute for the day, okay? Trying to look cute for the day. Not a professional. So, if you're looking for professional techniques, this ain't the video for you. We're gonna go back to Supreme. I think I really like Supreme. I feel like this has been my favorite color of you so far. I just wanna make sure that's shown though, you know? Like, I want that to show. I want them to show up to the party, okay? I want Supreme to be at the party. Now we're gonna get into the good. The shimmer. I'm gonna take Lituation first. And I'm just going to dab it in here. This is Lituation right here. And I'm just going to pack it on. Ooh, it's pretty. It's color. Ooh, do you see that color payoff? That's pretty. So I'm only gonna put it on till the center. So yeah, only to the like to the inner part of my eye, if you can see that. That's a pretty color. Ooh, it's pretty. Do you see that? Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna use the same brush. We're saving brushes over here. And I'm going to use, should we use Zam? Should we use Zam or should we use Soleil? Soleil or Zam? All right, let's use, should we use Sponsor? Maybe we'll use Sponsored. Okay, let's use Sponsored right there. Let's use Sponsored. So I'm using a different brush. I'm gonna go right into Sponsored, which is a duochrome, and it looks super pretty. We're gonna go right into the inner corner. And wow. Wowzers. Wow. Wow. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. So we're just gonna go here. It is a little green. It's green, it's like a duochrome though. So it looks really good with this. So I'm just following my crease naturally. We're gonna go back to Lituation. Clean brush again. The same brush I used before, but clean. So I'm just gonna lightly go over where they meet. So it's not like a crazy random transition, you know? Pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. So I'm going to, I'm not putting any more on here, but this is the one that I use. This is the brush I use with edges. So I'm just going to blend out here just a tad, just to make sure everything's in place. Okay. And that is gorgeous. That is so pretty to me. I can't even, no words. No words besides gorgeous. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more of Supreme. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Supreme, just a tad bit. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I really like Supreme and I really like the way, like what it's doing here. You know, I really like what it's doing here. It's looking really pretty. Jackie, don't doubt the queen. Don't doubt the queen. First of all, look at this packaging. Look at this. Ooh, can you see that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And her logo, Jackie Aina, is on here, which I believe she said in her video that Dennis helped her make, which is pretty dope to me. Like, win together, okay? Win together. And I love palettes when they actually have a mirror, but this palette's gorgeous. Like, if all of Anastasia's palettes are this pigmented and this brown girl friendly, then I might consider buying them. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be right back to give you my final thoughts of this look here. Hi loves, and I'm back. So I finished the rest of my face off camera. I put on some highlight. Can you tell my highlights popping? Highlights popping. I used the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Le Bronze. I believe I used Le Bronze. And I put on a gloss that's from ColourPop, and this is the final look. And I love it, love it, love it. So just to review the palette, this is the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous. First of all, let's just take a look here. The reflection, and oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So there's so many looks you can do with this. It's super cute. I really like this palette. The palette was not ashy at all. The colors blended easily. These colors blended really well. I absolutely loved it. Congratulations, Jackie, obviously. Thank you for always thinking about us dark queens out here. We appreciate you. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.